Hi guys, welcome back. Please like and subscribe this video if you like it. And I'm just going to be unboxing this, and I've already unboxed this, but I'm just going to be showing you this. So we'll start with a fidget spinner. So this is a fidget spinner. If you have a fidget spinner, put down below hashtag fidget spinner. And if you have a fidget cube, put down below hashtag fidget cube. So this is the fidget spinner, and it's got blue bearings. Well, not don't know what these are. They're like bearings, some are, but the blue, that's all I know. I think the bearings are something else. Anyways, see what it looks like when we spin this. This is when it's spinning for 1 minute. God, I need another pair of hands. Whoa, it looks really slow on camera, but it's really fast. I'll do it the other way. So that's that. This is the front. I lost this blue thing. And this is what it looks like inside without the blue thing. And this is the other side. And now to unbox this fidget cube. I'm so excited. Right, I waited because I wanted to see. I knew that you guys would love me to share this video with you. But anyways, let's unbox it. I would rate the unboxing like 10 out of 10 because it's really good. Oh, it's my favourite so far. Oh my god, this is really fidgety. Oh, and this part, if any of you guys have got a fidget cube and you do not know what this part is, this is where you just put your thumb or any of your fingers and you like circle it, and it feels really nice. My favourite has got to be this. Yep. Yep, definitely that. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Hope you like it. Bye.